Hello, I'm Karen Smith, Managing Director and owner of Bright Spark Electrical Services, your local electricians. We install lots of outdoor lighting and in particular wall lights. Some lights we supply and other lights our customers supply and we install them. Take a look now at this short video to give you some inspiration and show you what we can do. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This helps us to build the channel and explain more about electrical items which we install and safety aspects. Thank you.